Hey everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com. We are driving. Chris is here, by the way. What's up, Chris?
Hello.
Stay safe, man. Both hands on the wheel.
No, that's great.
We're driving from the LA area where we pretty much live to one of our clinics all the way out in Bakersfield. It's like a 2.5 hour drive. Have some time, brought the GoPro with me to do some videos. We're going to be looking at one of our clinics. So I wanted to go through a question one of you guys sent me, and you just sent it to me this morning. All right. I've recently started my own research site after 15 years in the field. I'm still having trouble recruiting sub-investigators. I cannot seem to get past the gatekeepers. You talked about getting short 10-minute meetings with physicians to explain to them what we're doing. I have a few questions about that. Number one, with whom do I have to speak in order to get an appointment? Right? This one's easy. With whoever answers the phone, or / whoever's there at the office when you go, right? Anything else you want to add there?
If it were easy, everybody'd be doing it. That's all I can say.
Okay, yeah, so there's going to be some work involved, right? So that one's easy. Number one. Number two, what sorts of material do I need to provide them at the meeting? Do I have to develop a brochure? You don't have to. I've gone in with brochures. I've gone in without brochures. Sometimes you can actually use the brochures that you have from your studies as brochures, so you don't have to actually create anything. A lot of these protocols provide sites with brochures to give to study participants or to leave in physicians' waiting rooms. So if you had a few of those to kind of give an illustration of the various kind of studies you have, then I would bring those with you. If you don't have anything, if you're a brand new startup, you probably don't have any studies. So it wouldn't hurt to make a little brochure highlighting who you are, what your company is, and what kind of doctors you're looking for, and what research is in general, those kind of things. Things that the doctor is going to be asking you anyways. All right. Number three, how should I handle trying to recruit doctors from a large clinic? Should I just randomly pick a doctor to target initially? Yeah. So you can probably get more sophisticated and try to do your research online, as much research as you can, and target who you think would be a better fit. Maybe you can find them on LinkedIn, or you can kind of get an idea of their background and whether they've done research or not. But I usually don't do that. I just go in there and it's pretty random. Like, if I can get one of them to join me, I know that it's going to be much easier to get their colleagues to join next. So it really doesn't matter to me who I get, as long as I get one of them to join me first. So I do go in at random. Basically, whoever is available to meet with me at the time that I go in is who I'm trying to target. What do you think, Chris?
I have nothing to add.
Nothing.
Nothing whatsoever.
Okay.
Other than if it were easy, everybody would be doing it.
If it were easy, everyone would be doing it. This is true. So I know it could be tough, and you said you're still having trouble recruiting sub-Is. You can't get past the gatekeepers. Try bringing in some lunch. Try setting up a lunch meeting with the staff. Maybe bring like enough Quiznos or enough Subway sandwiches for 5 to 8 people. And so you'll spend a little bit of money, like $40, but that should help you get past the gatekeepers a little easier. And then you can have some FaceTime with the doctor, and it may take more than just one time of you going out there. Okay, it may take a series of follow-ups where you meet with the doctor over the next several weeks until you both can determine whether research is something they'd be interested in doing or not. And then you can slowly bring them into your group by having them be sub-Is on some studies. Maybe they can start by referring patients, or maybe they can start by doing some procedures in their office. There's a whole number of ways you can do this. My strategy has always been whatever is easiest for that doctor is what we're gonna do, especially when you really need patients to be referred to you. Beggars can't be choosers. When you have a larger infrastructure and more sub-Is on staff, you can be a little more selective about which sub-investigators you utilize and what you require of them to do, okay? So thanks for your question. Good luck with that. Let me know how it goes. This is Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com and Chris, and signing off here. Thanks a lot, and take